In the aftermath of Ondoy, the internet was, pardon the word, flooded with images and videos of what the storm did to parts of Metro Manila and Rizal. There was also one interesting homemade video posted on YouTube and then on Facebook. It was entitled, I hope I got the title correct, How to Drive Your Car Through the Flood. Let's watch this. Joining us now is the creator of that video, Eric Calugdan. Good evening, Eric. Thank you for joining us.
Yes, good evening.
You yourself made that video, no, with your wife?
Yes.
Okay, your wife is the one who got into the car through the door?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. That's your car, right?
Yes.
How is your car?
Again?
How is your car? Kamusta na yung kotse?
Well, okay naman po siya. No damage, wala pong water na pumasok sa loob.
Where do you live, by the way? Hindi ba kayo binaha? Saan?
Greenwood.
Greenwoods. Binaha kayo?
Yes, that's in Pasig, Cainta area.
Oh, you are a car enthusiast? Magaling ka sa kotse?
Hindi naman po. Video.
Sa video. Okay.
Hobby po yung making video.
Oo.
I just thought of making a video about how to drive through floods.
Okay. Pero, totoo ito.
Yes po.
I mean, it's gonna work. Hindi lang yan packaging tape. Kung,
Sa site po, masking tape siya. Kasi yun lang yung available nung time. And hindi siya nakakasira ng paint ng car. So,
okay.
Double layer yung ginawa para hindi po pasukin ng tubig.
And, you know, you showed your car being driven off by your wife and hindi talaga pumasok yung tubig,
Hindi po.
Okay. And then, ang ginamit mo dyan, di ba? Pang vacuum?
Vacuum cleaner hose.
Yes.
And you can also use actually yung pang washing machine.
Okay. Hindi ba pinasok ng tubig yung tambucho kahit na naka-tape siya?
Hindi naman po.
Sigurado ka, ha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay yung kotse mo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then, after that, I mean, of course, you know, your wife drove off like that, tapos bumalik ka agad.
Yes. Actually, yung video na Wave Goodbye, ako po yun.
Ikaw yun.
In-edit ko na lang, nag-iba yung
truth in video making. Okay. So, but did your friends tell you that they tried it at home with their cars? Meron bang nag-react?
There were a lot of comments in Facebook na they will try daw, pero wala pa yung nag-try talaga. At least hindi ko alam.
Anyway, okay. Is there anything else you'd like to add, Eric?
Yun na po. Yung business ko po pala is Infotext. We use the system to text blast announcements para kung may mga calamity alerts, companies, organizations can use software to text blast to thousands of people. Yun.
Okay. Biglang nag-plug ka ng negosyo mo. This is strictly politics. Anyway, maraming salamat, Eric Calugdan. Thank you very much. Thank you.